How's it going? Oh, it's wait turned. Hi, how's it going? Well, today is the beginning of a brand new work week. What will I get up to and work on for B-Hop this week? I don't know. Ah, yes. Right, there was a shake-up. Who is adding me? Mm. 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 What was the um 2 timer bugs in one day? What? Why is the stream? Oh no, I'm just. Okay. Uh. Right. I stayed on dev because I needed to fix that, but I'll just. Gotta know the other timer bug to be able to fix it. Oh my god, 5 minutes around. Made an issue about it on issue tracker. Really? Well, that'd be great if I could see it if I could log in. Oh, one try. Bug. Let me see the bug. Hmm. Mm. Let's see this professionally edited video. Oh. Why can't I read it? What's with the GUI scale? Pause. Restart. Unpause. Actually, unpause. It's nil. No. It should be like the timer is not pause because it resets it. It sets pause to nil when you restart. Doesn't make any sense. Because now it has this line. Ridiculous. Alright, let's open up the VM and watch my code and fail in action. Oh, I can just not commit it. I can just test it. Documents, game. No. My VM stopped having audio, and I don't know why or how to fix it. What is this stream? This stream is me. Oh, I'm not showing what I'm doing on my screen. I did not realize that. Well, I'm going to Windows anyway, so. Why was dev reverted to before modular timers? Because there was a bug on the main game, and there's another bug on the main game, so I have to fix it. Alright, there we go. Now you can see Windows. Whichever branch I... Why is all these B-hop? Can I go back? There we go. What the fuck? No. It's the beauty of Git. Sublime greater than Visual Studio? I just use it. There we go. I don't want to use Electron apps. Discord. Okay, so what am I doing? I am... Pause. R. Unpause. It doesn't happen. But it doesn't print that either. Did I not upload it properly? Hey? That doesn't happen. Can happen randomly. Oh, good. So it's an unfixable bug that can't be tested. Didn't print anything. It worked that time. Why did it print nothing? That doesn't make any sense. Must be like multiple network. See, this code here is supposed to prevent that. And it's supposed to... This code is dead code now. It's not even relevant anymore now that I have new code that replaces it. I don't want to fix it. But I have to rewrite bots. I have to fix multitude of bugs. I have to make Moving Platforms API. I have to do a whole bunch of stuff before I can publish this update. But I don't want to fix this. I just don't want to fix it. It's not supposed to happen. I have no idea. It's not print. Oh, it prints on the server. I'm stupid. Alright, what does it print? Timer is not paused. Player. Timer is not paused. Okay, it's printing it all over the place. Timer is not paused. Okay. Congratulations, timer is not paused. Huh? This is literal garbage code, but like not self.paused. Actually literal garbage code. So it is printing this, so it's not running this code. This is dumb. This is so dumb. I don't want to edit my useless code and figure out why it's having spaghetti bugs. That's what it does. It produces spaghetti bugs. It's got to be because of this. And then it must be multiple network hoo-has messing with everything. No idea. What? I can't publish this update within like 1 or 2 weeks. So it's not. All right. You're not allowed to pause and you're not allowed to timescale. That's my solution. All this stuff can go away too. You're not allowed to do anything. Because my code sucks too much to be able to allow you to use it. Good thing I'm rewriting it. Back to the movement script. No more pause. No more freeze. No more pause. Incredible. Wow. What amazing code. We'll have to disable it to make the game work. Pausing not allowed. It's gonna be like, oh, that function doesn't exist. I don't give a shit. Yeah. Great. Let's publish that. No. please go back? Starbucks today? Tim Hortons had a line. I'm not gonna wait in line. Pause. No, it doesn't pause anymore. Whoa. Timer doesn't pause. Oh, ooh. Or opening the chat doesn't pause anymore as well. Amazing. Incredible code. Have to disable it to make it work. Immediately? I haven't even freaking published it. What do you mean immediately, you dinglehead? I have to freaking log into the goddamn CI. So annoying. Servers will shut down immediately. Waits 10 minutes. Merge requests. New merge request. Yes. Source branch. Dev. Compare. Disable awful code. Do not delete the source branch. Submit merge request. Is the pipeline finished? No. Can I please see the pipeline? It's done. Alright. Servers will shut down immediately. Alright, now we see the merge dev and master pipeline. We have to wait for that to complete. Servers will be shut down immediately, he said confidently. Oh, there's gonna be another. What the f? It freaking. What? It failed. Okay. You guys are gonna have to wait for the major update to get all this functionality back. Disabled timescale? Yeah, I disabled it all server side as well. At least I think. Where? Rerun button? Run. Thanks, Roblox. Okay, let's check the upload date today. Okay. All right. There it is. Game is now less good because of spaghetti code. Now I can get back to working on making it better. Okay, let's get to work. We reset it now? Yeah, Roblox just rejected the update for no reason, and we ran it again and it worked. Okay. Why is Windows stuck on that? That's not how it looks like. What the hell? How strange. Okay. I can just disable that for now because we're not gonna be looking at Windows for a long time. Alright, switch branch. Please, mods and admins and stuff, please test to make sure stuff isn't still broken, because there's a good chance that there's some new hack glitch that you can do with all the disabled code that I just quickly went through. Yes. Okay. Oh, now we have this. I should merge it into... Will timescale be back sometime in the future? Yeah, after this major update. Which, at the rate that it's going, it looks like it'll be 2 weeks, but I think that fixing bugs will take much longer, so it might be a month or 2 months. But it should be significantly improved because all the backend that was just shown to be horrendously buggy is now like really tightly written and runs client side and then is rerun service. Or it's the rerun. I'm just gonna not publish that and I'll just allow cheating for a while I write the server side verification. Allow cheating as in you get blacklisted. Timescale will be back after the huge update. Exactly. Has changed on disk. Yeah. 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 I hope I didn't mess things up. Alright, so this is my garbage. Amazing. Okay. Let's make jam. I need to hear. Why is this full screen? How stupid. Oh. Okay, I want to listen to this. Great way to start the day. 4 months? Not at this rate, man. I'm speed developing. As long as I keep working, then it'll be probably within a month. But yeah, if I stop working, then it'll be like never. I've got this Lucas branch, and I want to do moving platforms API, so it should go back to modular timers, basically. Backend update. I need to like have a general name because it's just turning into a backend update. Can I do that? Rename a branch. Okay. La 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 la. Rename. Backend update. Oh, you just like do this. Can I rename it here as well? Okay, how do I... How do I do this? I don't want to do it this way, I want to do it the other way. Okay. Like this? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Now we have a branch called backend update. Okay, this is going to be a really cool stream if I can pull off the moving platforms. Because if you remember that the demo place I made, the Death Run demo place, but that has the hydraulic press and the disappearing platform and the elevator and the regular moving platforms that are using the new system. If I can get those working, then I'm gonna sound off. Let's make some Death Run maps. And I'm excited to see what gets made out of my demos. 5Man, are you still here? Have you looked at the demo that I put out in the demo code? I want feedback from like map makers on like compared to the other tools you have in with bHop and map making. Do the new tools make sense, and can you think of any ways to make the new tools more like the old tools, or like have presets, or have because like I want it to be accessible, but as it is right now, in order to have moving platforms you need to have a script, but you can basically copy paste it from one of the demos. Like if you want a moving platform that spins, you can just copy the spinning moving platform and change some of the variables, or move it. Really, you can just move it and change the part and it'll work. Or the back and forth moving platform from A to B, you can just like move A and B and change the platforms and it'll work. Me and my friend are making one, a Death Run map. Woo! Okay, okay, so this stream is called Moving Platforms API because I am going to hook up the computer algebra system and the map, the demo map. Okay, and so that's, there's a lot to do. Oh no, okay, this is gonna take multiple days, maybe. Or maybe it'll be today. I'm so fast at coding. Where do I start? Oh, what was another one of the tools I was thinking? Damn it. Did I write it down? Nope. Damn. I thought of another tool I can send to the tools. And I forgot. No, can't remember it. Okay, so I need some sort of scanning process in the map loading. Okay, let's check the map loading. I think I rewrote it, so it's a little bit better. Server, change map. The client doesn't actually need to know actually, no, the client is the one doing the Okay, so this is how it has to work. Client presses a button, and then the client knows what to do with the physics to activate that button. It finds the it goes through the Moving Platforms API, finds the dynamic script. I gotta rename that to like Moving Platform or something. It finds the module script in the map. It calls it to figure out what the equation of motion is for the platform or whatever the variables are. It implements those on the client, and it tells the server, timer event, user clicked this button. And then the server replicates that event, and then the other clients can decide whether or not to display that happening based on if they are spectating that player. So the server isn't trusting the client on what the moving platform equation is. The server is just replicating the playback event, and then later when it does server-side verification of the speed run of the bot file, it will recreate that playback event from the simulation data, and so it has zero trust for the client. It'll just replicate the timer event rather than just take the equations of motion. Okay, well, I actually didn't need to send these over the network. That's okay, I gotta leave. I'm gonna delete the loading screens on this update. Oh, I guess it's only the second half of the loading screen. I'll still have the loading screen for when the Roblox map is loading. Kick for bad hacks. Yeah, if you get kicked by this, then your hacks are terrible. Because, like, the client literally calls a function that says hacks. And it's like, hey, server, I'm hacking. And the server's like, okay, you're banned. Kicked. Okay. Okay. So this is the client asking for part data, and I should just like delete this. This is not what I should be working on here, but it has to do with loading the map. Ah! What's this? Oh, it's the defaults. Oh, bejeez. Couldn't I just like do? Huh? Crush Roll, such a good song. I've done that before in the game where you just make a remote that only kicks the firer. Okay, so I need to hook into this is the base part. Scanning. Oh, it doesn't do very much scanning. Ah! Okay. Damn. Damn. Looks like I have to rewrite more stuff. Okay, so or I could just dynamically do it. I have something in the movement, right? I set up tables of okay. Instead of scanning, where's the scanning stuff? I think it's try parts. Part data. Okay, so it goes through stuff and it sets the start position, it sets the spawns, it sets the wormholes. Yeah. Yeah, so it does need to scan. Okay, I'm thinking maybe I switch to Roblox events for Descendant added or something. And so I'm like, from the server, I'm like, hey, client, look, here's the map. And then the client is like, what map? And then it's like, okay, well, it's not loaded yet. Here's the map. And it's like, oh, that map. Oh, now it's replicated. Thanks, Roblox. And then it scans through the map and adds a Descendant added event that maybe fires from the server. Does that even make sense? I don't know if that's trustworthy. I need a way to know whether the map is finished loading. Ugh. Starbucks coffee. So this is the beginnings of modularizing the physics code. Because this should be a module in a module called map scan or something. And then map scan can be like a shared module. Let's make it shared module map scan, new file. Not what I wanted to be working on, but it's more backend needed. This will probably take another 2 days at least. Might take all week. Okay. Okay, so I need some sort of like... so this is an indexer. This is going to index things that need to be indexed, like wormholes. When you hit a wormhole in, it needs to already know where the wormhole out is, or which part that is. And when you hit a trigger, it needs to already know where the spawn is. It can't be scanning through the map to find it when you hit it. It needs to already have scanned the map and already know where it is. But the problem is that I need to know that the map is finished loading. Some games just spam remotes like that. Just hope cheaters don't know how to click the correct one. Okay, map scan. Does this make sense? If I have a shared module called map scan, that works for the... No, yeah, this makes perfect sense. Okay, do I call... No, I would only need to... change map. Okay, this is server side change map right here. Ah! Okay, so it's kind of garbage code, but kind of okay code. So what I need to do is not have this local and stuff, and that's how stuff gets added to my to-do list, added to my plate. Oh my god, look at all these horrible global functions. Okay, so so what if I have a script that hooks into... Okay, I could design this the same way as I've designed everything else so far, where it's like a cluster of modules that's loaded by one master module. Master. And it'll do things like create hook events and then hook the hook events. Ugh, I don't want to do this. I want to just like make the moving platforms. Yeah, okay, so current map info or something. I need a module like that, which scans the current map and creates all the map data, and then has a hook event when it's done. It's like, here's everything. And that won't be networked over the server. It'll just... I need a way to know when the map is finished loading. And previously, that was done by this part data function. You what? Oh, okay. Why is this tabbed in? Good grief. Try parts. And then if it had all the parts in a list, then it was like, okay, the map is finished loading. Try parts. So what it's doing is it's receiving a list of parts, and then if one of them is, if any of them are nil, then it's like, I don't have all the parts. It's not replicated yet. I don't know if I could have a do you think I could just have like a workspace child added thing, and when the event fires workspace.child added, the map is finished replicating? And so if I have that on the client and on the server, child added, and then that is what triggers everything? Because, like, the glare is so horrible. Oh my god. How are you not bored yet? Are you kidding? This is crazy interesting. I have the time of my life every single stream. Yeah. Alright, so this should be another sort of module to do with, I don't want to redo map loading. I just want to do moving platforms API. Ugh. Sucks. I just want to get it working so it is awesome, but there's so much garbage code that has to go away. Remote.flush. This is like one of the only waits in the entire game. And then here it loads the map from insert service. So, Yoicks. Yeah, this should just be all rewritten. Might have to change the name of the stream when I'm done to just redoing map loading. I just gotta not use this whatsoever. All the hooks into everything spaghetti code. Activate loading screen, waiting for Roblox to download the map. And then I won't have the second loading screen with the bar that goes across. I could just delete the bar, honestly. Because I don't know how long Roblox is going to take to load the map. How do I determine... That's the list of parts. I just network that back and forth repeatedly, right? Yoicks. Ugh. Ugh. Disgusting. I don't know what the best way to hook into this and know when the download is complete is. On the server, it's easy because it's complete right here. Like, once you load the asset, it's done. But then replicating to all the clients, you don't know when that's going to be finished. And I don't know if there's little events for all this too. Okay, this is the actual object of actual Roblox right here. Next map. Go away. So there it is. Next map. And then... So then it updates all the tables and stuff, which isn't actually needed. So I don't actually need to do any of this. So in try parts, I'm going to edit try parts to test if the map exists as an object. Because like you can watch it download, so maybe the map already exists, but it's still filling in the child objects. Excuse me, or maybe it only exists. Oh, good grief. Map object, where is that? Map object is it doesn't contain the asset whatsoever. Dot object. Does it set that here? Dot object. Is that for... Yoicks. Ah, it's such a spaghetti mess. I don't know where to start. I just want to scan the map and load the... and get the moving parts data. So, I wonder if I should look at my other game, which is called Roblox Simulator 2020. What the hell is it called? Alien Area 51. Oh, I can't get to it from here. And look at the loader to see what I have there. I can re-enable Windows because I'm looking at that. Okay, what do I have? Oh. Elaine. Oh, core is like the okay. Is it a shared module? That would be kind of pog. Lucas. Finder. Add identifier function. Okay, this is my finder. Expect all definitions to be added before init, so don't research, only search on init and on part added. Yeah, this is basically what I'm looking for. No local. No local. Joe Biden. Joe Biden. I don't have next. Okay. My finder. Okay. So, init. Okay, so claimed status. Okay, maybe this is not exactly what I'm looking for. Let's look at what uses the finder here. Finder. Keycards. Oh, no, it doesn't use it. Finder. Unclaimed. What does that mean? What the hell is this code? Finder.find is bulkhead. Set up bulkhead. Okay. So this is finder.find. If it is a bulkhead, then call setup bulkhead on it. Starbucks. So, I probably won't take the exact Finder code because it looked kind of like I made it years ago, which I did. I remember that. So okay, so I had I made it so that if the Finder you define these you define these finder.find things, and then if it's not claimed by the Finder or by a callback thing, then it writes it down how to reset it. That's kind of smart. Unclaimed. Yeah. See? Unclaimed. Clone. So it makes a copy of everything that is not claimed and is resettable. Interesting. Very cool. Uh-huh. Okay. I get it. Okay, so this is... This is specifically made for this game where it resets to the same map. Whereas the new one, I'm just trying to scan the map after it loads in, and it's always a fresh map. So it's I can get ideas from this code, but I shouldn't copy it. Do a dance? I'm coding. I don't feel like dancing. I feel like coding. Bro. Okay, I guess this part of the song is kind of groovy. Okay, well... Finder.find, it kind of makes sense. It calls the function anytime it finds an object, but it'll be like hooked into... I'm caffeinated. I wanted to write moving platforms. What if I just like pretend that I've already made it and I just like write it? I don't know. Does it? Yeah, it does need to scan that server side so I can verify things. SSV server side verification. I can write these shared. Okay, I think Finder is a decent structure to use. I'll set up hook functions with identifiers and callbacks, and then I'll have a scan function, finder.scan or go or something for when the map is loaded. And then I need to figure out what. Oh, I spilled coffee on my finger. Ugh, Starbucks. It is kind of nicer because it's split into different modules, but still using local. Okay, so new shared module. Do I call it Finder? Oh, I have another one here. I haven't even started coding it. I was thinking of calling it map scan. Because that's kind of what it is. Scan. Alright, this is going to be called scan. And I can look at the Finder code here. Yeah, basically this is just exactly. I have an identifier and a callback. Okay, so this init is sort of what would happen on every map load. Okay. Unclaimed. So then it would... I shouldn't need an unclaimed functionality in this. So I should probably just rewrite it with new variable names and everything. Yeah, so I can just use event. And then this is going to be called Finder scan Finder find def scan. Hello Mongoose, I am making something that I didn't want to make today because it's needed for the thing that I actually want to make, which is the moving platforms API. I need to have a general map scanning system so I can add things to the scanning instead of like not having that, which also requires me to rewrite map loading and everything, so it's great. I have to redo everything. Do I have to redo everything for this major update? The answer is yes. Okay, what do I call it? Scanner? Finder? I like Finder. Finder is cool. It's like, oh, Mac. I really don't want to swallow that coffee. It has the caffeine that I need, though. Ah, Finder. But it's not the same module as this. It's more like a scanner. Finder is like, oh wow, I can look at things that are not found. So I'll call it scanner. Okay. Timers. On new timer, add on new timer. Okay. Oh, it needs to. Oh, no, I can't use event. I have to make this like special thing. Never mind. Which is basically that exact same code. Okay. I'm just basically copying this code. Okay, literal copy. Everyone is bugging out over the jumping while typing bug. It's only gonna be for another month. Don't worry. It's not a bug. Just disable jumping. Yeah, dude. Just turn off the whole game. It's not needed. Alright, I don't even need a remove function because I'm not gonna remove any of them. I can just leave it as is. And then we have scan object. So now basically I look at this code, just kind of, oh, does it literally, I'm literally using a non-recursive, man, I really hated recursion. So it only searches the child objects of the map, which makes sense because the map is in the okay, scan. This is the scan function. It scans. Scan, can you please scan this object for me? Yo. I'm just gonna copy the code. Object. Yeah, repeat. Only child objects are identified and compared with the identify functions. If, yeah. No need to have all this claiming stuff. But I do need in the loop to have search and search plus I equals child until and search plus and children equals 0. And then do I have special, this is special claiming stuff here for the unclaimed objects finished. And then I can also have on finder finished. I wonder if I'll need that. Coffee spill. 1 drop. Okay, I can add that easily. Scan. Okay, so this is like quite minimal now. This is a minimal implementation of the Finder code. And I renamed it a scanner because it doesn't have a unclaimed functionality. The map load happens after, it happens on an init, so I don't need to worry about loading order. And I don't need this init function because I'm going to call the scan function externally when the map is loaded. And I can set up scan things from anywhere I want. Add def. Do I just call it def? I might just call it def. Define object identifier and what and callback for when it is identified. Okay. So I could extend this quite a bit, but sorry, I was just cringing at my math loading code. How do I do new map stuff? Okay, so def is all good. Clear. I should probably manage that through the scanner. Have a clear Yeah, clear and finished or something. Which will need event. What? Scanner.clear, scanner.finish. Works. Nice and minimal. Okay. I can pass the object too. I don't think I need to though. We'll see. So there's one. For now, this is good, I think. It's just like a singular. So it would change the current bike. I still have the previous maps object thing somewhere. It works. Okay, so now I make modules that add things to this. What's it gonna be called? Moving platforms init is kind of the concept behind it, where it scans all the map stuff, finds everything it needs to find, indexes it, and for interaction later. Okay, so this is basically like all the code I really need for the map stuff. I'll probably need to change it later, but whatever. I'm just gonna close all the Lucas stuff. Oh, I was gonna move metatable into into the constructor. Should I do it like this? Okay. And then now I return the meta table here because it's part of the construction stuff. Meta table. Alright, we need to remove all definitions of this. And only put them right here. Because it's part of the constructor. And then find results. Next one. You see it's also right here. So, boop. Oh, oops. Gone. Okay. No more meta tables. No more meta tables. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna commit that. Meta table is part of constructor. Yeah. Okay, we'll see if it works. Maybe I should stop going to Starbucks. Maybe I'll try ANW instead. Alright, delete or closing all these Lucas modules because I'll edit them later if I need to. Ah, nice and clean. Okay, bye chat. So much work, but I can do it. I can do everything. Just keep adding stuff. Okay, scanner. So I'll load scanner and add def. Oh, it's global. Should I have a scanner instance? Make it modular, but well, I'm probably only going to use it for the map. I can instance it later if I need to. Okay, so we're gonna have a new module called Moving Platforms API or something. Moving Platforms. But it's more than moving platforms. It's dynamic objects. But I want a different name than dynamic objects. Interactive objects, right? I was thinking of naming it interactive. Yes, because that's what it is. It's interactive rather than dynamic. So I have analytic and interactive. I think I'll call it interactive. So let's close this because I don't need that code anymore. Open up Roblox Studio with moving parts. Is that my garbage? Hey, it's my garbage. Okay. Did I save it? I think I didn't save it. I don't know. Did I save it? I don't know, main. Looks like I didn't save it because there's 3 and there should only. Okay. All right, let's my models, please. Okay, apparently I do remember saving it last, so. Um. Okay. I'm gonna rename these to interactive, because it's always interacted with a button. Mm-hmm. Okay. Interactive parts. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is going to be called interactive objects parts. Moving parts. It's more like moving objects now, because I'm gonna be able. I'm gonna move all the child objects with it. Interactive objects. Objects? I don't like objects. I just want interactive. No, I need to call this more than interactive, actually. I need to call it like it's interactive and analytic stuff. It's dynamic, actually. So dynamic includes analytic and interactive. Dynamic parts. So I think it's appropriate for the script, but not appropriate for the in-game script. Because the in-game script always means that it's interactive, but the control script handles analytic parts and interactive parts, which is dynamic objects or dynamic parts. All right, so now do I just like make a list? Ooh. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I don't need to index all the buttons because those will be interacted with kind of like dynamically as stuff happens. Okay. Okay, so it'll always be able to be turned into a number, so it doesn't really matter if it's 0. I'll just index it anyway. So we'll have dynamic index, and then we'll have okay, so I need to track the initial state of dynamic objects. And I can get that. Okay. State index. So I can set the state index before I I might be able to just like do that. Equals analytic. I might just be able to do it. Ah. So I need a dynamic parts state initializer. So so that still works. Oh, right. Okay, so it's not, so the analytic parts are analytic, so I don't need to screw around. gosh, what was the other tool I was thinking of? Okay, now I'm writing the code that I want to write, even though it doesn't actually get called yet. Haven't hooked it up. I should be able to just call it. Okay. Okay, fetch state track offer keys. So it'll be things like I can just go to the loader for this. And grab this list. Shape. Ah! Why is it doing that? Okay, so now I merge state. Static state. Dynamic state. No. More like S0, S1. Oh. Something like this. What are your thoughts on your Big Mac? Not my burger of choice when I go to whatever McDonald's. I actually forgot what it was called. Amazing. That's talent, forgetting what McDonald's is called. Okay. So velocity and velocity are derived from C-frame. And you can define if suck. Indeed. So this one runs first and it indexes all the analytic states And then this one runs second. And it also indexes all the analytic states, but it indexes the static states as well. So, Yep, okay. Oppa! Okay. So state index is and then dynamic index is instanced. Initial state index. I don't know. What am I doing? How do I do this? Ah! Oh, Starbucks is disgusting. Oh, essay. Wow. Headphone jack. Yeah, man. Okay, so this is the ID. So then we write another state index, but this time we don't need to do this. All we do is so if it doesn't have a state index, then we need to create it. But it just means that it's not a analytic state. Yep. So this should go will there be map making for Deathrun? Of course! I just need to make it. And it's complicated, and I should have done it last week on Friday, but it's weekend is renovation time, so, and my break time. So I'm having to invent the code now. Okay, works. Basically same thing here. So if it didn't have a state index, then it creates that state index, and it just means it has a static state. Oh crap. Oh crap. So if you set the transparency of the thing, you'd expect that the whole elevator would go transparent or something. Unless it's analytic. Will we be paid? If I make a lot of money, I might be able to start tracking that stuff and do payouts. But I would need to make a lot of money. Oh, need to be like a multi-millionaire. Whew. Good vibes. This song is called Bubble Bath Aftermath. What a fantastic song name. I guess it runs on the client, so I can just print the error. I should probably print it different, actually. Print different. I forgot that this just works. Mm-hmm. So this would just be the exact same. Okay. Um, basically the exact same code, which is good, kind of. Except it just goes into a different table. Uh-oh. Um... Oh. And it just needs to
This is FM.
write down the activation function.
And this is ultrasound.
Oh. Oh, what? No. What? What? Do I even need this? Is this really that easy? Did I really design this that well? What do you know about the new E10 plugin? Never heard of it. Nothing. Oh, Starbucks is dreadful. So it starts it as just a regular state index, and then I don't know. So it'll just call the dynamic index function when you hit a button. It's so modular. Crikey, mate. That's a modular code. I gotta hit the bathroom. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, something like activate button. Oh, actually defined above. Oops. I don't need to reset. I just make a new. Anytime I reset, I just can make a new state and not even care. Um, I don't know. So I can't index it like that because it needs to be a list. Okay, so now it's a list. I can just grab it. Don't even need the ID. Um, no, it doesn't need rules, it just needs the button. Grabs it, sets it. Instance dot state changed. Yep, and set state. Um, 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 uh. This is weird code. Not good. Not good. Something like this. Yeah, but it shouldn't be called from outside, so it shouldn't be available. Also, activate button. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing here anymore. Hi, noob duty. This is getting out of hand. Doesn't need to be a list, but that's okay. Right, forgot to print. Uh-huh. So complicated. Yo, it's too modular. Set state. How do I like do this? bored of Sublime. I'm a bit unimpressed by Sublime. The fact that you can't move the sidebar. Oh, like KDE. Cool. I'm stuck. How does the time go through and everything? Oh. Doesn't call it. Hmm. Hmm. So I can't really use this. Oh. So I could call it. I could have an initialization function. It's not good though. What exactly did modular timers do? Makes all the timings precise and playbackable, so everything looks right when you're spectating. And it adds extendability to playback and simulation stuff. It's good, trust me. Don't need it. So I did exactly that. State. Okay, so it's just a set the object to this state. If they use other than Lua? No, I don't think so. I think Lua is a fantastic choice. Like, Python would be like buggy as all hell. I feel like I'm about to die. What the heck? From over caffeination. Okay, well there's something. So you hook it in, you make an instance, and you hook it in. And then there's a global thing for the map. Like it's cleared when the map changes. I am bamboozled. I'm between an implementation and a computer algebra system. I was like, oh yeah, I can just do this. Turns out it's really hard. Oh, okay. Okay. This is silly code. It's small though. This is gonna take forever. Next. Yeah. Okay. Read all tracked properties. Mm. Hello, I am doing programming about to do the stuff to get the Lucas, my computer algebra system that I wrote last Thursday. I wrote it on Thursday and I'm about to call the function for the first time. Lucas, we got to do the derivative equals Lucas dot derivative. I'm about to do calculus in VHOP. Whoa! We also need compile equals Lucas dot compile. Yeah. Okay. So if I compile it and it's already compiled, it should just like not worry about it. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, okay. A new state. I need to do the special things. So if not C-frame, then check the position and orientation values. And if not velocity, then check the C-frame value. Okay. So basically the same thing here. Um, um, oh. Okay, and then we do okay, so the C-frame will be tracked in the old thing, so yo. So I keep it in this mode. Is that all I need? Here, Joe. I think I should just compile everything in S1 first. No, I need to not do that. Oh my god, how do I do this? Redeem channel points. None. I can't do this right now. I'm just not smart enough. I don't know what happened. what's scanner? Scans map files and has definitions of objects that to look for during the scan and then to call back when it finds it. It's like a finder. I'm kind of whacked out. Am I done with coffee yet? Yes, I am. Look at how my hands jitter. I just have to push through. What does next do differently than pairs? Nothing. That's not correct. It's the function that pairs returns, but you can also define your own weird stuff. Nothing is that not. It used to be slightly faster. I don't know if it's still faster because of Roblox's LuaU optimizations. Bro, I'm wildin' right now. Wildin' out. I just can't write the code that does the stuff. I don't know. I have no idea. Oh my god. Where did my genius go? I want it back. I knew exactly what I was doing last week. And now I'm clueless. It's too hot! Right. Lots of airflow. Excellent. I don't know what to do. To go to the goddamn bathroom again. This is all pseudocode and not working code. I don't know what to do. I only have a general idea, and it's kind of like incomplete and not completely thought out, like other things that I've written here. Okay, I'm gonna go maybe make food? I don't know. Sounds good. Make a sandwich. Oh, but I can't make a sandwich because I don't have any. Oh, that's not a bad idea, actually. Stop the stream, go to the store, get some cheese, make a sandwich, come back, start streaming again. Anti-lag script from 2008. I need cheese to make sandwich, and I need sandwich. I need a break, because I'm not getting anywhere. It's not. Comments aren't ready. Not even sure I like it. All right, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna stop streaming, and I might be done for the day. I don't feel like I'm able to make progress here. But what I'm planning to do is go grab some cheese from the grocery store, and then let me switch to this. Oh, there goes my door. I need to open that. It's too hot in here. Go grab some cheese from the store, walk back, make a sandwich, and then start streaming again. That's my plan, but maybe I'll be like just utterly done. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the share the cheese. It's creamy Havarti slices in a small package so that I don't have it rot in the fridge. And I have like 3 sandwiches and I'm done. Yes, but I'm gonna make a delicious sandwich and see how I feel after that. Is that done? No, it's not. What? Okay. Goodbye.